As summer approaches, now's the time to set up your backyard with outdoor speakers for streaming your favorite tunes or even hosting a full-fledged party. Designed to endure weather conditions, outdoor speakers feature large, powerful audio drivers that deliver rich, clear sound in open areas. Many models also offer programmable settings, often accessible through brand apps, allowing easy customization of bass and treble to match your preferences. For a long-term solution, wired outdoor speakers are the most durable choice, requiring no recharging, while Bluetooth speakers offer portability and excellent sound quality, making them ideal for renters and flexible outdoor setups. Whether you prefer the durability of wired speakers or the flexibility of Bluetooth options, we got you covered. In this guide, we have curated the best outdoor speakers to elevate your listen experience. All product links are provided in the description. Number 12. ECOXGEAR EcoBoulder Ultra Outdoor Speaker. The ECOXGEAR EcoBoulder Ultra is built for outdoor adventure with features that cater to any environment. With its IP67 rating, it's fully dust-proof and water-resistant, able to withstand even a dip in 3 feet of water. Though it floats, so it won't sink. Its suitcase-style design, complete with a telescoping handle and rugged wheels, makes it highly portable, even at 27 pounds. This speaker also boasts an impressive 50-hour battery life on a single charge, ideal for long outings. Number 11. SOUNDBOKS 4 Performance Outdoor Speaker. The SOUNDBOKS 4 is designed to provide immersive sound that energizes any gathering, making it a top choice for large events. Despite being labeled portable, this 35.5-pound speaker is best set up on a patio or other outdoor setting where its power can shine. With an impressive maximum output of 126 decibels, the speaker features a poplar wood case that delivers rich, resonant sound, reinforcing its high price. The SOUNDBOKS 4 produces deep bass by default, but the sound can be finely tuned through an in-app equalizer to suit a relaxed ambience or a high-energy gathering. Number 10. Marshall Middleton Portable Outdoor Speaker. The Marshall Middleton offers portability with rich sound that belies its compact size. This Bluetooth speaker measures 9 inches wide and weighs 4 pounds, delivering a robust sound suitable for intimate outdoor gatherings. Powered by a 20-hour battery, the Middleton's lightweight and compact size make it easy to move around. A notable feature is Marshall's true stereophonic multidirectional technology, which disperses different tones in various directions, creating a more immersive listening experience. In addition to its classic aesthetics, the speaker includes on-device bass and treble controls, supplemented by an app equalizer for precise sound adjustments. Designed to withstand the elements with water and dust resistance, the Middleton performs well in diverse outdoor settings. Number 9. Klipsch AWR 650 SM Outdoor Rock Speaker. The Klipsch AWR 650 SM Outdoor Rock Speaker blends seamlessly into outdoor environments with a design resembling a natural rock. This speaker is available with a granite or sandstone finish, providing aesthetic appeal while delivering excellent audio performance. Each unit features a powerful woofer paired with 2 tweeters that simulate stereo sound, allowing users to experience a full audio range even with a single speaker. Number 8. Definitive Technology AW6500 Outdoor Speaker. The AW6500 by Definitive Technology is a powerful choice for bass enthusiasts. This outdoor speaker incorporates a bass radiator that significantly enhances low-frequency sounds, delivering impactful bass without compromising treble or mid-range quality. Its high-quality audio drivers and versatile 360-degree rotating mount allow for optimal sound placement, adapting to various outdoor spaces. Number 7. Bose 251 Environmental Outdoor Speakers. The Bose 251 speakers are crafted to produce a broad sound field suitable for outdoor spaces. Each speaker includes 3 audio drivers, which enhances sound dispersion and depth compared to many competitors. Bose's sleek design ensures these speakers blend well with any outdoor setup, while their weather-resistant build allows them to withstand varying conditions. Available in black or white, the Bose 251 speakers come with a reliable warranty, adding value and assurance for buyers. Number 6. Sonos Outdoor Speakers. Sonos outdoor speakers provide seamless connectivity, designed for integration with the brand's wireless system. These speakers require the Sonos amp to enable Wi-Fi streaming, which offers versatility and control over audio content. Despite their higher cost, the Sonos setup provides premium features, including compatibility with mobile devices for easy streaming. The speakers feature a durable construction built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and are available in a sleek design. Number 5. Sonos Move Smart Outdoor Speaker. The Sonos Move Smart Speaker brings advanced technology to outdoor audio with its smart features. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, the Move can respond to voice commands over Wi-Fi, integrating smoothly with existing smart home setups. Designed for portability, this weatherproof speaker provides up to 10 hours of wireless playback on a single charge. The Move supports Apple AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth, enhancing its versatility. Although the charging base is intended for indoor use, the Move can be charged outdoors with a USB-C connection. Number 4. Klipsch AW650 Indoor-Outdoor Speaker. The Klipsch AW650 speakers are renowned for their high-fidelity sound, characterized by detailed and dynamic audio quality. The speakers are built with Klipsch's signature Tractrix horn tweeter, which enhances sound clarity and detail. This makes them a preferred choice for audiophiles who prioritize sonic accuracy in outdoor settings. Available in black or white, the AW650 speakers feature a sleek, minimalist design that fits most outdoor setups. With a robust build and weather-resistant housing, these speakers are designed for longevity. Number 3. Bowers & Wilkins AM1 Outdoor Speakers. Bowers & Wilkins AM1 speakers excel in audio fidelity, making them ideal for listeners who value sound quality above all. Each speaker includes a 5-inch driver and a 1-inch tweeter arranged for enhanced sound dispersion, making them well-suited for overhead installations. An integrated bass radiator provides deep bass, elevating the overall listening experience. These speakers feature a durable, weather-resistant design. Number 2. Yamaha NS AW150 Outdoor Speakers. The Yamaha NS AW150 speakers offer quality sound at an accessible price, making them an excellent budget-friendly option. While compact, these speakers deliver balanced audio that surpasses standard Bluetooth speakers. Number 1. Polk Audio Atrium 8 SDI Outdoor Speakers. The Polk Audio Atrium 8 SDI Outdoor Speakers provide an optimal balance of quality, design, and value. Featuring dual drivers, these speakers deliver powerful, detailed sound suitable for a wide range of outdoor settings. With an easy-to-mount design and a long-lasting warranty, they are versatile and durable. The Atrium 8 SDI speakers blend seamlessly into outdoor environments and are available in black or white. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.